Today we're going to talk about the different WordPress settings and what I recommend when we first launch a WordPress website. These are the few of the different components that we look at before we launch that website, before we go on a live environment. So check out these settings in the video here. Alrighty, so here we are in a test website, just a website I created for myself just to show, a few different tutorials here. But anyways, it's built with WP Engine. We're going to be showing you exactly, again, how we can set up our WordPress settings. And this one's already set up correctly, but I'm just going to rephrase and just go through exactly the setup process for the settings and also for the customization for most themes. So the first is the settings. So let's go to general. So these are the main different things I would watch out for. So the first one is the site title. The second one is the tagline. Make sure this is descriptive towards your website. Now don't change the website address or site address. It's very critical. Don't change these. You want to go down and change the time zone to the appropriate time. North America is right here, or I guess America, and just make sure you change it to the correct time and click Save Changes. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Writing. With the writing, you want to make sure that you're under the appropriate default post category. If it's uncategorized, it's uncategorized, right? Don't change any of these mail servers. Just keep that the same as is. Click on Reading now. Now, during the development process, make sure you discourage search engines from indexing. But let's say it's a live website, make sure you uncheck that. Uncheck that. Let me say that one more time. Uncheck this if you are on a live production environment. Now, within your homepage displays, if you're a blog publication, then of course have your latest post show on the homepage. But for any sort of other website, make sure your homepage just shows the different home. And then for post page, make sure you change that to the blog. Click on Save Changes. Okay, and then the last critical part of this is just permalinks. So your permalink structure by default is plain. Make sure you change that to post name. I see tons of websites out there who have that very, very boring look, for permalinks. It looks like this, and that's very boring and it's not search engine friendly. So make sure it's under post name, so it just has sample post. And I'll show you an example as to what that looks like within a post. So let's say I go to the post and we have a post about best business ideas in 2020. It shows that as the name. Now, of course, you can change this, but what is the default? Make sure the default is that. But that's about it. Those settings are pretty straightforward. Again, just make sure you go through general, writing, reading, and permalinks. You should be all ready to go. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and submit them to the comment section below. If you found some value in this video, be sure to leave a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you're looking forward to more WordPress content, SEO, search engine marketing, PPC advertising, and anything marketing. Make sure you subscribe to the channel here. That's what we do around here, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.